cook New Year's Eve dinner.
Did you just talk?
Yes, you insolent human. I've been able to talk this whole time.
You want to host New Year's?
Prep the children. We go to the store at once.
Okay. All right, Frenchie, where do you want to go?
Take me to Target.
All right. Look at us. Hey, we're back.
Why am I not sitting?
Great. The end of your video I put. I love us. Me too. We're just funny. We are.
Isabel, I need to stick my head out the window. Let me stick my head out the window. Can I stick my head out the window? Let me stick my head out the window. Can I stick my head out the window? Freedom! Air!
Pig noise.
Wind in my face!
Now, Frenchie, here's the deal.
What's going on?
I don't know if you're allowed in this store.
I'm not allowed in the
I know,
store.
I
Of
don't know.
course I'm allowed in the store.
I know. I don't know if you're allowed in. Frenchie, listen to me.
No, this
I
is
don't know if you're
ridiculous.
allowed in this store, so I'm gonna have to put you in the backpack.
The backpack? Are you insane? I don't belong in the backpack. What is wrong with you? I'm not going in that
I
backpack.
don't know what to tell you. I gotta put you in the backpack.
There's absolutely no way I'm going in that backpack. You go in the backpack. How about that? You go in the backpack.
But it's either that or you can't come in the store with
I
us.
look like a peasant to you. I refuse. This is so humiliating.
Hello. Frenchie, you have to keep telling us what we need to buy, because I don't know what you need to buy to cook. Lettuce? He needs lettuce. You want chopped Caesar for later?
Hold on. Let me see if Frenchie approves. You want chopped Caesar? You want chopped Caesar, Mom?
You got it.
Frenchie needs some cream cheese.
I would eat a waffle any day, but if you're talking about versatility, pancakes will be better than waffles because you can do anything to a pancake, sweet or... Man, look at all this chocolate already.
Oh, can I have chocolate?
No. You're coming home with me.
Giant candy cane.
A gingerbread hot cocoa stand.
Can I have hot cocoa?
No.
Oh. You missed it.
Not you. Oh. No, but we're not getting that for real though. But I wasn't talking to you. We were talking to Frenchie. Well, these are cool.
So cool.
Hey, Frenchie, just checking on you.
I'm fine. Everything's fine. Get out.
Oh, hi, you look good. He looks busy in there, so let me... All right, Frenchie's calling us now. He's done with the food, and all right. Well, good job, Frenchie.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Frenchie. Yeah,
Frenchie.
thanks.
Thanks.
Happy New Year!
Straight to your right.
We are doing the little flower bloom thingamajiggies. So Mommy's about to set off. Mom, you have to run as fast as you can. You didn't even like it. Go, go, go! Over here.
Get back, get back.
Whoa. Go, 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 go! Oh, red, orange, yellow, green. Get back, get back. Izzy, get back.
We're not.
Oh, shoot. I thought that was coming towards me.
Going, all of them, get back.
Oh, crap. Ah!
Oh my God.
No, the grass, the grass. Ooh, that would have went on the grass. That would have been bad.
How many more minutes?
2 more minutes. I at least need to get one hand done.
No, 56 seconds.
55 seconds. Daddy! How many? Count it out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New
Alright, the neighbors brought out the big guns. You can't see him, but he's right there. And he's about to set off the big firework.
Okay, so I think that hit it. Oh my god!
Got champagne on my stomach.
Why did it scare me so bad?
Okay, Evie, another one. Another one. Another one.
Oh, come on.
Here goes.
I didn't get rid of that. We get scared.
There it goes. Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh. He said we're just getting started. How much bigger do they get?
I don't know.
How much bigger do they get?
That's so cool.
That's the one Grandpa wanted.
Hey, more of these. Ready? I'm gonna be like it.
Hey.
And
Did you hear it? What? I'm laughing so hard I farted.